Fort Davis is one of the best examples of an Indian Wars frontier military post in the Southwest, which protected immigrants and transportation on the Chiricahua Trail. Fort Davis is important in understanding the presence of African Americans in the West and in the frontier military because the 24th and 25th U.S. Infantry and the 9th and 10th U.S. Cavalry, all black regiments established after the Civil War, were stationed at the post. The Native Americans called the black soldiers buffalo soldiers because the hair on their heads reminded them of the buffalo that roamed the plains. The regiments working at Fort Davis also gained a reputation of being fierce fighters. If you ever get a chance to come visit this fort, it's well worth the time, but leave yourself about 3 to 4 hours because it's so very, very interesting. Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.